These are silicone tongs for cooking by Popco. Let's open it up and take a peek. This set comes in 3 different sizes. The small is in 7-inch, the medium, which is in 9-inch, and the large tongs are in 12-inch. This is in the multicolor set, but they have other colors to choose from as well. These are made from 1mm stainless steel. They're very durable, but lightweight as well. They also have scalloped ridges for better grip. The handles are slip resistant, and the tips are made from food-grade silicone, which will not damage or scratch your nonstick cookware or your grates. This is perfect for your stove, oven, or your barbecue too. And it's heat resistant up to 484 degrees Fahrenheit. These are also hand wash and dishwasher safe too. These are also stain and odor resistant. The non-detachable tips help eliminate from hiding bacteria. To unlock, you just push down on the O-ring. To lock, you just close it and pull down on the O-ring. It also makes a nice hanging spot too. Thank you so much for watching and hope you found this video helpful.